So, reaching a fair and sustainable global food system by 2030, I immediately go to educating consumers and producers, changing consumer views on what food is supposed to look like, quote unquote, as the way the consumers purchase food directly relates to what producers produce. And then creating a secondhand market for food that would otherwise be wasted, such as the ugly food that consumers wouldn't buy in a market, like ugly tomatoes, putting into sauce and creating a market for those. Um, Better food storage facilities for developing countries and better crop variations, just like cover crops, perennial grains, stewards for the land and the soil. And then increasing urban gardens, vertical farming, and just preserving the local identity of the food that's grown, especially in large cities.